Today I am going to derive general heat conduction equation in Cartesian coordinates. There are some assumptions for these equations. The first assumption is that internal heat generation at the rate Qg watt per meter cube and material should be isotropic. Heat entering and leaving this volume through its 6 phases. This block shows the elemental volume of the heat conduction model. dx be the thickness in x direction, dy the thickness in y direction, and dz in thickness in z direction. So considering heat flow in x direction, heat entering in the element from x direction is given by the Fourier's law of heat conduction, that is minus Ka dt by dx, and heat leaving from the element Qx plus dx equal to minus Kx del y into del z dt by dx. By Taylor series we can find that value. Net heat flow in the x direction is given as dqx minus dqx plus x dx equal to minus of del by del x of dqx into del x equal to minus of del x minus kx del y into del z into del t by del x upon del x, that is equal to del x, that is del by del x of del by del x into kx del t by del x into del x del y and del z. That is simplifying this equation, you will get dqx minus dqx plus dx equal to del by del x of minus of kx del t by del x into del x del y and del z. Similarly we can find out x, y and z direction also. These are the equations for y and z direction in conduction model. Now net heat flow in the direction of x, y and z direction can be calculated as del by del x of kx into del by del x of t plus del by del y of del y into ky del t by del y plus del by del z into kz del t by del z, and whole term into multiply del x del y del z into delta t, where delta t is the time difference and kx ky kz are the thermal conductivity in the x, y and z direction respectively. And volume of the cube is simply given by the formula V equal to del x del y and del z. Therefore Qg at time del t will be Qg equal to small qg del x del y del z into del t, where Qg is the heat generation rate. Now net storage in the element in the time del t will be mCp delta t into rho v into Cp delta t. That is we know volume, that equation can be simplified as rho Cp delta t into del x del y del z. From energy balance we know energy entering equal to energy entering into in all surfaces plus energy generated equal to energy out of the system. So heat conducted into all directions plus heat generated equal to energy stored in the element. That is equation 4 plus 5 equal to equation 6. That simply we rewriting the equations in energy balance form, and we simply divide left hand right hand side, so by del x del y del z, and we will get the simplified form of the equation. Del by del x of kx del t by del x plus del by del y of ky del t by del y plus del by del z of kz del t by del z plus qg equal to rho cp del t by del t, where small t is the time in second. For isotropic material, kx equal to ky and kz equal to k. Therefore, equation will reduces to this form, where alpha is rho cp upon